Good afternoon, friends. This is Pankaj Ojha. Today, I came before you with 30 top questions of preposition, which is very crucial, keeping in mind your exams, especially upcoming exams of TGT, PGT. So, let's start. First of all, let me tell you something about preposition. What is the definition of preposition? A preposition is a word that shows a relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in a sentence. So, preposition will show a relationship between noun or pronoun and another word in a sentence. Preposition usually come before a noun and give information about time, place, or direction. Question number 1, I was all confused. Dash 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 her unexpected words. So confused, when you get confused with, I was all confused with her unexpected words. So confused will be followed by with. Question number 2, we are very apprehensive when we went into the headmistress's office, but she was very good to us. She was very good to us. He is very good to me. I am very good to him. Her principal is very good to him. Good to her. So this is the way we use good to somebody. Let's come to the next question, friends. Question number 3, I am not very keen seeing her. I'm not very keen on seeing her. I'm not very keen on seeing her. I'm not very keen on seeing her. So keen will be followed by on. Next question, he is hungry for success. He is hungry for success. पूरे ऑप्शंस कई बार दोस्तों मैं नहीं पढ़ता, उसकी वजह ये है कि आपके एग्ज़ाम्स बहुत नज़दीक हैं और मैं चाहता हूँ कि कम से कम समय में आप अपने पूरे सिलेबस को रिपीट कर सकें, पढ़ सकें। मैं आपके हित को, आपके इंटरेस्ट को ध्यान में रख कर ये वीडियो बना रहा हूँ। इसलिए कई बार रीडिंग ऑल द ऑप्शन इज एब्सोल्युटली यूजलेस एंड रिडंडेंट। लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। We are accustomed to sleeping in total darkness. Accustomed will be followed by to. Somebody may be accustomed to something else. Accustomed is usually followed by to. We are accustomed to sleeping in total darkness. हमारी आदत है बिल्कुल अंधेरे में सोने की. And that's a good habit. I'm sick and tired of seeing her stupid face around me all the time. Tired of somebody, tired of somebody's behavior. So tired is followed by of. Always keep in mind. Accustomed to, tired of. Next question. The whole area is famous for its beautiful sandy beaches. पूरा का पूरा क्षेत्र अपने रेतीले जो बीच हैं उसके लिए फेमस है. फेमस इज ऑलवेज फॉलोड बाय, यूजुअली इज ऑलवेज फॉलोड बाय फॉर. फेमस फॉर. I was very much pleased with my exam results. Pleased with my exam results. Pleased with my performance. Pleased with his performance. Pleased with his exam results. This is the way to use please, and please is always followed by with. when it comes to you are happy with somebody's performance. Next question. Doctors believe that some people are naturally immune to AIDS. Immune to. Immune is always followed by to. He is immune to coronavirus. He is immune to tuberculosis. Somebody may be immune to some disease. If somebody is immune to some disease, it means कि वो disease उसको प्रभावित नहीं कर पा रही है. He is not vulnerable to that disease. Immune is followed by to. Next question. The book is average not only in size but also in price. The book is dash 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 average. Options are A down, B towards, C amidst, D above. The book is above average not only in size but also in price. Next question. We are certainly superior to other teams. Superior to the other teams. I am superior to her. I am junior to her. I am inferior to her. Superior, junior, inferior, interior. These are the words which are followed by to. Always keep in mind. The carpet was rich in colors and was of high quality. The carpet was rich in colors and was of high quality. Rich in colors. Some carpets, some clothings, some garments may be rich in color. In such cases, usually rich is followed by in. Next question. Question number 13. We have become very attached dash 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 this house. We just don't want to move from here. Attached to. Attached is always followed by to. So the correct answer will be option D. Attached to. Next question. She was born dash 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 that fateful day in the month of September in 1980. Born on. Born will be followed by on. In this case, she was born on that fateful day in the month of September in 1980. Next question. This year we have been having good harvests all dash 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 the country. B. All around the country. This year we have been having good harvest all around the country. All around the country. Question number 16. Cleanliness is. Question number 16. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Next question. Professor Robert is an old white-haired man dash 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 a beard. Question number 17. B. Professor Robert is an old white-haired man with a beard. You can get there by bus or dash 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 foot. Then foot is what will be the right preposition over here? Tell me, friends. Question number 18 on very important and very much used, very cliche type preposition, but it has been coming in various exams, so always keep in mind, never ever do mistake in easy questions, otherwise you will be rejected. It is the easy question which are the kaja for rejection, not the tough questions. Always keep this in mind. Next question. His application letter was filled spelling mistakes. Filled dash 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 spelling mistakes. Question number 19b. Filled with spelling mistakes. His application letter was filled with spelling mistakes. Next question. In filling out this form, you are required to write. Now tell me, what will be the right answer? Option A is in, B by, C with, D to. Question number 20. Write in ink. Write in ink. In filling out this form, you are required to write. When you write down, ink से जब आप लिखोगे तब in लगेगा. Write in ink. Next question. What is the preposition in this sentence? The stem of a plant grows above the ground. The stem of the plant grows above the ground. यहाँ preposition क्या है बताएं? The stem of a plant grows above the ground. Above is preposition. Above. Next question. The tax money was divided dash 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 George and his redneck friends. Now divided among George and his redneck friends. Next question. Charles lives dash 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 1431 Main Street. Question number 23. Charles live at 1431 Main Street. जब बिल्कुल एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन बताई जाए तो वहाँ पर फिर एट लग जाएगा. Next question. Max went to China in 1984. He went there in 1984. He visited Agra in 2002. So in such cases, in is being followed. Question number 24 A. Next question 25. Rohit dash 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 Rohit sat 3 fat politicians. Now tell me, option is A beside, B with, C next, D besides. Here option A is correct. Why not besides? Tell me in comment section. Why beside? Why not besides? Question number 26. No one dash 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 Jill likes to go up the hill with Jack. C. But. No one but Jill likes to go up the hill with Jack. Here but means except. Next question. It is difficult to distinguish dash 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 good and bad herbs. Question number 27. Between. It is difficult to distinguish between good and bad herbs. Question number 28. The mayor dash 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 New York smokes cigarette. The mayor 28 of New York. The mayor of New York. Next question. He studies dash 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 the evening, in, at, on, off. These prepositions may sound you very easy, but these are the questions have been asked in various exams so many times. In TGT, PGT, bank, SSC, railways, KVS, NVS, in various exams. So be careful about the questions you think are very easy. Easy questions are never easy, and easy questions are responsible for our success and failure. Always keep in mind. He studies 28. Question number 28. He studies क्या होगा? In, at, on, off. इसमें से कौन सा ऑप्शन करेक्ट है आप बताएं? इन, एट, ऑन, ऑफ. ही स्टडीज इन द इवनिंग. ही स्टडीज इन द इवनिंग. इन इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आई रन buy money, before money, after money, ahead money. I run after money. मैं पैसे के पीछे भागता हूँ. He run after somebody means किसी के पीछे भागना. Somebody is running after boys, somebody is running after girls, somebody is running after money, somebody is running after anything. So friends, these were the most important questions related to preposition. I hope these questions will help you out in your preparation. So keep on preparing, working hard.